In analytics tool, we have only one property, that is constant line. And from this option, you can create your own desired break-even line. For example, all the sales that has been achieved by managers have the actual target of around, for example, 5,000. So here I need to draw a target line of 5,000 and would like to show you those managers who have achieved their targets. Now I will go over here and expand this constant line. Now I will click on add button. Here we have the caption of this line available. So I will double click over here and rename it to target. Now we have plus, or you can say add button or add link. Here we can draw as many lines as you can. I will click add. So you can see over here we can set maximum and minimum values, is up to you. I will close it and provide a value over here. Now we'll set value. Our target is around 5,000, so I will write over here 5,000. You can see over here that we have this dotted line. So now I will change its color to different one, and then I can play with its transparency. And after that we have the style of that border, or you can say line. We have solid, we have dotted one, and we can play its with its position as well, like it is now in front of the columns. Now I will go back over here and make it behind. So you can see over here that dotted line, that target line, is now behind the column. If I go back to the data label and put it on, so you can see over here that the data label in fact is now visible. This is our target. And if I go back over here, we have this color. We can change this color to some other one, and we have its values. If I click on the name, so you can see over here we get the title over here, and if I select name and value, we have the text and the value as well. If I go to vertical position, or you can we'll check the horizontal position. I make it right, so you can see over here this change has been done. That target is now on the right side, and if I change the position vertically, I go under, so you can see over here this has been changed. This target has been become into the downwards after the line. And if I go back and about display units, I click on it, thousands, so you can see over here it changes to 5K, and you can change it to millions and billions. It's up to you. So for now, because our data is not more than 1,000, so I go to auto. That suits my units and data. So decimal places, if I click over here 1, so you can see over here we have the values in the decimal. So you can see over here that we have different options available for this target line. In this session we'll learn about the target line, the constant line, what range, or you can say what target that have been fixed for these managers who achieve the target is visible over here.